Okay. Sorry it's a little dark right now, so I'm trying to find the best light possible here. I don't know what to, because if you guys can see, it's dark now. And I don't got cameras because this is my first time, so I'm sorry if you can't see my face. I'll film a different video, different day showing my face, my reveal, so sorry. I'm gonna be showing you my slime collection upstairs. I have another one, and these are like not the best slime, so don't judge. So I'm trying to pick through them, and yeah, that's good. Oh, what do I have? One more. Got them all. I'm gonna start with the first one. They're just in a, oh gosh, you guys can't see them, can you? Okay, let me just show you. It is the best slime. It is an orange slime. Well, it's pinky. It's a coral color. And I'm going to be spinning a spearmint, grapefruit, lavender, or peppermint. And I'm going to send it grapefruit. Sorry, it's not the best lighting, but you will see another video with the better lighting. So, and let me tell you, I don't edit these videos. So how long they're gonna be is how long they're actually. So yeah, and here's the grapefruit. I'm gonna go with these quick. The other one's already scented, because that one I just made, and this one's not scented. Well, I thought they're all scented, but this one's not. This one's also a pinky one. This one's more pink, but this one's actually supposed to be purple. So I'm gonna scent it a relaxing, fluffy slime. Another fluffy slime. Yes, chocolate. Like my friend Madison Oilers. She says sucker all the time. Sucker! Because I'm always eating food like that. And here's it. So not as sticky. It's a little sticky, but that's fine. Okay, you guys might not be able to see the slime. This is a crunchy foam slime. I don't really like it. It's a really pretty color though. And that's a glitzy. That glitzy is a flip side. Now we have a clear slime, which is not cleared up, sorry. It's a very tiny clear slime. Pick the container. This is a 4-ounce container with like a 1-ounce slime. Yes, it is 1/4 filled. So sorry if it's going to be like a short video, but it's not my fault. It's also bad lighting. The next slime is also another clear Z, which is clear. It's a jiggle. Clear green slime. Oh, this actually was an apple slime before. Next slime is another clear slime with net blue left. Smell it. Highway, baby, spearmint. Oh. Sorry if you hear like a barn. It's just my dad or my cat. Cosmo or Teddy. So it's grabbing one. Here it is. It's half Siamese. It's a half Siamese cat, and it's a blue one. This one's my dad, and it's cross-eyed. Sorry if you can't see it, but that will be in the next video, which will probably not be posted till like after school. Till I'm done with the video. Ooh, this is actually in a pretty long video, so. And I'll post it. This is a really bad slime and I don't need. I guess it's okay. I guess I'll fix it. Will be one of the fixing slimes I do with you guys. It's a jiggly and fluffy slime. It's a deflated one. Next one. It's mostly the slime I sticky and getting it. This one is scented lavender soapy. I can't make this scent again. Sorry, I made it for me. That's fun. Not all of these are scented, but some of them are. There's all these slimes. This is a crunchy slime with red ring. And that means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 slimes that are upstairs. And that's it for upstairs. Okay, I love you and goodbye. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.